Hello everyone, it's Coach Tim. For this video, i-explain ko lang po sa inyo kung gaano ba kadali intindihin si Seacrest at gaano ba kadali kumita dito para makapag-decide po kayo na mag-join at mag-stay sa ating company. We are the fastest growing membership subscription business in Southeast Asia at kumpleto na po ang ating mga certificates. Meron po tayong FDA, SEC at BIR. And we are proudly Pinoy made. Kaya sana masabayan niyo po kami dito kay Seacrest. The company was founded by the Ang brothers. Yan po si Sir Juston Ang, our CEO, at si Sir Jayron ang ating CFO. At nag-grand launch po ito noong September 17 of 2024. You can visit our office in MC Briones Street, Mandawi City, Cebu City. Hanapin niyo lang po ang Bel Oano Commercial Center at makikita niyo po dyan si Seacrest. With the pioneering leaders, young, bold, and talented visionaries who chart new paths, inspire transformation, and lead with courage where others have not yet dared to go, so suportahan at tutulungan po namin kayo sa Seacrest journey ninyo. So why choose Seacrest? Well, we have a unique advocacy here in our company, and we are the first SEC registered membership subscription in the Philippines dedicated to crafting premium seaweed-infused products for health, beauty, and household essentials. So what is membership subscription? Well, unlike the traditional networking or selling, this is the trending way of marketing. It's not just a membership. It's a gateway to financial flexibility and a better lifestyle. We are the first health subscription model where members don't buy not just once. They subscribe, earn, and keep coming back every month. Kaya we make loyal customers enjoy every money they spend. How we earn here in Seacrest? Well, we have the business structure that we use here, which is not the binary anymore. Hindi na po kami gumagamit ng traditional binary na left and right. It's the rise of the matrix. So we are using the force matrix 2 by 15 levels. Bakit matrix structure ang gamit ni Seacrest? The matrix structure is designed for teamwork and long-term passive income. Unlike the traditional binary structure that tends to have a saturated stage and lifespan income of 5 years or less, the matrix is designed for long-term result with a subscription business type of model where members subscribe and keep coming back every month because of the product and income return. So kung mapapansin po ninyo sa binary, limited earning potential if one leg grows faster than the other. And it may require constant balancing to maximize your income. Unlike sa Force Matrix na we promote teamwork and spill over from uplines, it's easier to manage and feel for some users. What is the advantage of our business? We have a unique flagship product. With seaweed as a versatile superfood, market is wide. With over millions of possible users per household, we are the first seaweed membership subscription for health and beauty in the market. At ang ating membership startup, with the rise of inflation, overpriced memberships are not practical anymore. Here in Seacrest, for as low as 998 pesos, people can start making money online anytime, anywhere, without spending too much and keep the benefits for only 498 pesos per month. So it's a money value business. So why pay the 498 peso subscription fee? To better explain to you para mas maintindihan nyo po ang subscription fee na to, this will help a community that will help you earn. So every time you pay 498 pesos, you help 15 levels. And in return, they will help you. So just be patient and practice delayed gratification. We're talking about long-term income and this is built with strong patience. Just enjoy the products, enjoy the process, and you can wait for the result or you can build your result. Yung products nyo po dito, i-deliver po yan via dropshipping. So shipping fee and handling fee is not yet included, but it will be automatically computed upon checkout. So why keep your subscription here in Seacrest? Well, there's a big question here na pwede mong sagutin. Do you pay monthly for your internet? Kasi paying your internet service provider is also called subscription. You get services 24 by 7 and enjoy unlimited online surfing. You have the option to use it for personal use or use it to help you get income. So why pay for your internet service provider which costs more than 1,000 pesos every month, di ba? On the other hand, with Seacrest subscription, Seacrest makes money work for you. With Seacrest subscription, you have the option to wait for your income or you make your own income as long as you're subscribed. Just like paying your internet service provider but affordable and with free products to use pa. So why just spend if you can also earn? So nakita nyo na po ba kung anong pagkakaiba at halos pagkakaparehas nila sa isa't isa? Kaya kung kayo po ay nagbabayad ng internet service provider ninyo at ilang years na rin po kayo nagbabayad dyan, just keep your Seacrest subscription dahil dito may chance po kayong kumita kahit gaano pa katagal yung pagbabayad ninyo. Just enjoy using the products, enjoy being a subscriber of Seacrest. Ito ang magandang tanong, is paying your monthly bills worth it? If your answer is yes, then let's do the math and let's see if your monthly subscription from Seacrest is worth it. Sabihin na natin, nagbabayad po tayo ng 498 pesos per month kay Seacrest plus yung shipping fee po niya, so that's a total of around 600 pesos. Sa 600 pesos per month, meron tayong 12 months sa isang taon. That's 7,200 pesos per year. So sa 7,200 pesos per year, times 5 years, that's a total of 36,000 pesos for 5 years paying your subscription in Seacrest. Kailan mo mababawi ang lahat ng ginastos mo kay Seacrest? Sabihin na natin umabot ka ng 5 years at nagbayad ka ng 36,000 pesos. Tingnan naman natin kung magkano pwede mong kitain dito kay Seacrest kung gagawin nyo po ang napakasimpleng strategy na ginagawa namin ngayon, which is the duplication of 2. Sabihin na natin sa unang buwan mo dito kay Seacrest, nakakuha ka lang ng 2. Ang trabaho mo lang dito is to share. Hindi mo kailangan mag-convince, just share how the subscription works. At ito po yung pwede nyong kitain sa dalawa nyo. So maliit pa lang po yan, 24 pesos. Pero ang good news dito, pag itong dalawang to ay naghanap din ng dalawa nila on the second month, so meron ka ng 4 na new subscribers on the second month, which is a total of 6 subscribers for 2 months, ang kita mo na dyan ay 74 pesos. Now, on the third month, pag ang 4 na to naghanap ng dalawa nila, you get 8 new subscribers at ang kita mo dyan ay 174 pesos. On the fourth month, pag itong 8 naghanap ng dalawa nila, so that's 16 new subscribers. Ang kita mo na dyan ay 373. On your fifth month, pag yung 16 naghanap ng tiga-dalawa nila, may 32 new subscribers ka na at meron ka ng 771 total income. Ang kagandahan sa matrix versus binary, walang left and right, walang pairing-pairing. Basta ang kailangan lang natin dito ay pabilisin ang pagdami ng bawat levels ng matrix po natin. Ito na po siya. Nakakompute na po yan para sa inyo para mas maintindihan nyo po. So assuming na magtuloy-tuloy ang duplication of 2 natin, pwede po kayo kumita up to 25,000 pesos on your 10th month here in Seacrest. At kapag ganyan na po kalaki ang kinikita nyo, mag-upgrade po kayo if you started with the 998 and 3. Para pwede po kayo kumita up to 50,000 pesos nang dahil lang po sa dalawa. Dalawa pa lang po yan. Pero syempre, hindi namin kayo nililimitahan sa dalawa. Pwede po kayo kumuha ng mas marami pa. At kapag mas marami pa ang madidirect ninyo na members, mas malaki po ang potential earnings niyan. This is just a simple strategy na pwede nyo pong gawin para magkaroon po kayo ng mabilis na resulta. So this is very simple, affordable, duplicable, and possible. Kaya gawin nyo lang po at sigurado makukuha nyo po ang resulta na to. Bakit natin kinumpute to? Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo na kahit gaano pa katagal ang pagbabayad ninyo ng subscription ninyo kay Seacrest, kahit umabot pa po yan ng 10 years, mag-ROI at mag-ROI ka pa rin in due time. Kumpara sa internet ninyo na binabayaran nyo na for how many years pero hanggang ngayon wala pa rin bumabalik na income sa inyo, at least dito kay Seacrest, meron at meron kang makukuha. Just subscribe on time para makuha nyo po yung income na pwedeng ibigay sa inyo ni Seacrest because of your loyalty. Ito naman ang advantage mo kung meron kang mapamember dito kay Seacrest. Kasi bilang pasasalamat ni Seacrest sa'yo sa pag-share, bibigyan ka niya ng magandang bonus. You get more from your direct members kasi you also get another 50% bonus from your direct members monthly subscription commission. Sabihin na natin meron kang 2 subscribers na kumikita na po monthly. Syempre kasama ka na dyan. So sabihin na natin yung unang direct mo ay kumikita na ng 25k per month at yung second direct mo ay kumikita na ng 15,000 per month. Ang total income po niyan ay 40,000 pesos per month. 50% po niyan mapupunta sa'yo. So that's 20,000 pesos additional income on top of your own subscription bonus. Dito kay Seacrest, kung mas marami kayong madirect, mas malaki ang pwede nyong kitain. Ito ang maganda kay Seacrest. Just consider it as your life plan. Ano yung mga life plan? Insurances, health insurances, mga ganon. If life plans are too much for you kasi mahal po siya para sa'yo or hindi ka qualified, you can get peace of mind while you're subscribed with Seacrest membership. No questions asked, no filing of claims, no need to get hospitalized and worry about untimely accidents. Just pay your monthly subscription and get benefits just like being insured. Basta nakasubscribe ka lang, pwede mo makuha ang income mo dito kay Seacrest. Ganun lang po kadali. Kaya dito kay Seacrest, hindi ka namin pahihirapan. So why start now? Pinoy naman mauuna. Timing, positioning, pioneering is everything. The population of Asia is around 700 million. What if 2% mag-join kay Seacrest in the next couple of years? Alam niyo po ba, if Giant Entertainment Subscriptions gets millions of subscribers without giving income to members, what about Seacrest? So sa tingin niyo po, lalaki po ba tayo? Lalaki at lalaki po talaga si Seacrest. Kasi maliban sa pagbabayad mo ng subscription na may products pang kasama, pwede ka pa kumita. Compared sa ibang subscription businesses na bayad ka ng bayad, wala namang kapalit except for personal entertainment use, dito kay Seacrest, income ang kapalit. Kaya kung tayo po ang mauna dito na first 10,000, kumusta ka naman kung may papasok pang more than 1 million subscribers dito kay Seacrest? Kaya Pinoy naman muna, ayo naman ang mauna. Maraming salamat sa pagtapos ng video na to. Sana natulungan kita makapag-decide at magstay dito kay Seacrest as one of our pioneering subscribers. Just join our advocacy, join our vision. Basta dito po kay Seacrest, it's very simple, it's duplicable, and with God, all things are possible. Kaya again, maraming salamat sa panonood. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Seacrest. And again, we will see you all future millionaires. Have a great day po. God bless.